Now we are going to make a butterfly. For the triangle, top to the top, corner and corner. And open it and turn it around and make another side triangle. This is actually making the line for helping after steps. Color on top and then fold in half. And open it. And if you push from the bottom, triangle can be made. You push from each side of that square so that you will be able to have triangle easily. Place each line and then each corner bring top of the triangle flip it over and upside down. The top is triangle is underneath for you and towards you, and then bring this triangle over the line here and just tip a little bit. Don't push all the over because it's gonna be teared. Just tip, 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 and then this triangle go to another side of origami paper, and actually there is a pocket in between here, so you can put this triangle in between two pieces of paper, and then you hold in half in this side so that you perfectly make butterfly. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. またね。ありがとう。